So, as you guys know, Zerodha has introduced a new features for its Zerodha Kite. Okay, in this new features, they've added a indicator which will identify the candlestick pattern itself. Okay, so to add that, you guys can go to Studies, okay, and click on Candle Pattern Sticks. So if you click that, the candle pattern sticks which is formed will be indicated by this indicator. So now after you apply this, lot of people has their many questions and many doubts. Like once you apply this indicator, you get lot of candlestick patterns with their names. Okay, now many people ask which is the best candlestick pattern to trade on. Okay, and what are the candlestick patterns they should avoid, and what is the time frame you need to follow, and how to pick the stocks to trade on candlestick patterns. So all of these things question will be answered in this video. So I'll be telling you the two best candlestick patterns which you can trade. Okay, and also I'll be telling you how to make an entry on it, and also where to keep your target and stop loss according to these patterns. Okay, and how to pick a stock for this, and all of these things I'll be telling you in this video. So make sure you watch this video till the end to get all the information regarding this. And many of the people were telling that they are not able to find this candlestick pattern in their indicators. So one reason is that you might be using TradingView chat. So go to your Zerodha setting and change it to the normal chart IQ, the default charting what Zerodha is giving you. Okay, just switch it to switch it to Kite IQ chats, and here you can come back to the studies, and here you can see the candlestick patterns and you can apply it. Okay, so once you click on that, it will be applied, and this is how the chart looks once it is applied. Okay, so before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips, and lot of things in my channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, and also if you're new to the stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money consistently in trading, you can join my course. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingshero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program, and now they are making money constantly, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading, and also if you're new to the stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit, and also if you're having losses, I'll be helping you to recover your losses. You can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit like us from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks every day, and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let's talk about the candlestick pattern which you should trade on. Okay, so as you guys know that in Zerodha desktop version, or I mean in your laptop or computer, only this is available. So if you're using in your phone, Zerodha Kite app has not been updated to use this indicator, but I have made a video recently on how you can use it on your phone. Okay, how you can get this feature on the phone. So the link will be in the description below of this video. If you guys are trading in your phone, and if you guys want to access this feature on your phone, you can go to the link in the description below of this video and watch that video. In that video I have said you how you guys can get this feature on your phone. Okay, yes, now I'll be telling you the two best candlestick pattern that you can trade on every day. Okay, and this two patterns will always be formed. Okay, and the two patterns are, one is engulfing and another one is hammer. Okay, so these are the two things which you can concentrate. Okay, so I'm telling you based on my observation and on my view. Okay, so I have seen these two indicators performing very good on the market. Okay, and also in live market I've seen many times. So these are the two indicators which will give you some of the good entries. Okay, and now let me tell you how you, when you find this engulfing, what you should do. Okay, so this is how it looks. Okay, so it will be named as engulfing. So whenever you see this candlestick pattern, you can take a look at it and you can take a trade if you wish to trade on this pattern. Okay, and the hammer means it looks like this, even that will be denoted by its name called as hammer, and this candle will look like this. Okay, so there are a lot of other candlestick patterns, so those are not that reliable according to my observation, what I'm telling you. So concentrate on this two and you guys can see how it performs. Okay, so first one is engulfing and the second one is hammer, what I said you. So now let me tell you how you guys can take an entry on this. Okay, so now let's say you got an engulfing pattern formed. Now what you have to do is, so let me just mark and show you guys. Yes, so once you find this engulfing pattern, so you have to mark the highest among these two candle and the lowest among these two candle. Okay, so the highest is here and the lowest among these two candle is here. Okay, so now what you have to do is, once if this high breaks you can take a buy, and if the low breaks you can take a sell. Take only one sided entry. Okay, for example, let's say now the low is 345.9, so you will short sell it when this low breaks, that is keep 10 paisa buffer point, that is 345.80 is a place where you will sell, and you can keep up to 0.5% target or 1% target. Now the market is very volatile as you guys know, so keep 0.5% of target which will be easily achievable. Okay, so that will be safe, 0.5% target will be safe also. Got it? So now let's say you shorted at 345.80 and now as you can see the stock broke its low and it made a low of 343.25, so almost 1% target was achieved in this trade. And now again you don't have to take a buy side entry, even if the high is breaking, don't take a entry on that. Okay, so this is a little trick what I wanted to share. So just take a one-sided entry only, so which side breaks the first. Okay, just trade on the which side breaks the first. If it's breaking for the higher side, then go for a buy side first. Okay, or if it's breaking for the lower side first, go for the short sell trade and only trade on one time on one single pattern. Okay, and now let me show you the other pattern example, that is the hammer. So hammer is most commonly known. Okay, so hammer, what happens is, this is how the hammer looks. And now here again you can trade like this, you can mark the high of the hammer and the low of the hammer. If high breaks you can take a buy, and if the low breaks you can take a short sell trade. Here as you can see again the short sell has been triggered. Okay, so 345.60 was the low and you can short sell at 345.50, and as I said you can keep 0.5% target and the stop loss. And once the low got broken, so it went all the way till 340.45, so again 1% plus target has been achieved. Okay, so this is how you guys can trade on these two candlestick patterns. One is engulfing and another one is hammer. Okay, so you guys can check this examples in all the kind of stocks here. Okay, so there's a lot of other things like other candlestick patterns also, but they won't form regular basis. Okay, they won't be forming on regular basis, but the hammer and the engulfing will be forming on a regular basis. Okay, every day you'll be able to get an entry on that, and the accuracy is also fine in that. Okay, so here again the hammer has been formed in Hindalco chart as you guys can see. So the high is 161.05 and the low is 160.5. Okay, so here as you guys can see the high got broke and the stock went all the way up till almost 164 here, and also the another candlestick formation has been formed here. Okay, so this is how you guys can trade on this. Okay, so as you can see, there's a lot of other candlestick pattern also, like 3 inside and spinning top, all these things. Okay, so let me show you some of the other examples so you guys can understand it easily. Okay, so here is another engulfing what has happened here. So mark the highest and the lowest among these two. Okay, so the low was 157.8 and the high is 158.45. okay, so once the low got broke, as you can see, the first low was broken and it went till 157.25. okay, so here there is a chance of stop loss getting hit. Okay, keep 0.5% target under stop loss, so sometimes the stop loss will hit. Okay, now how you can avoid your stop loss getting hit? Okay, now I'll be telling you how you guys can pick a stock and how you guys can use a little bit of tricks to improve the accuracy on this candlestick patterns. So the first thing is, you can pick stock above 150 rupees from Nifty 50. Okay, don't pick lot of stocks and don't get confused on watching lot of stocks at a time. Just pick 2 or 3 stocks and keep observing them. Okay, and after you pick the stocks, what you have to do is make sure you check the beta of the stock. Okay, so to check that, go to more option and click on fundamentals, and here you can see the beta value. Okay, so here, so it should be always above 1. Beta value should be always above 1. So above 1 will be fine. So that means it will have a good kind of movement. So beta value being above 1 will be a good movement. So this is the first trick. Okay, pick any stock above 150 rupees and check the beta value being above 1. And the next thing is that you should see to the market trend also. If the market is in a buying side, so make sure you take a buy side position only, or if the market is in downtrend, make sure you take the short sell position only. And also you can check on the market depth. Okay, so you can check the total number of buyers and the total number of sellers. So if the sellers are more than the buyers, then go to a short selling. That means not like 1 lakh or 2 lakh difference, let's say like 18 lakh of buyers and 70 lakh of sellers. So when you get this huge kind of difference, then only you can confirm your trade. Okay, let's say we have 20 lakh of buyers and 10 lakh of sellers, so that means buyers values are more, so you can take a buy trade. But that doesn't mean the stock will definitely go up. Sometimes suddenly the market depth can switch, like 10 lakh of buyers and 20 lakh of sellers, it will happen like that. Okay, so the market is very volatile, so you guys have to check it and then take a entry. So be careful and always keep the target and stop loss on whatever trades you take. Okay, and follow the discipline. And if you guys are new to a stock market trading, or if you are having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money consistently in trading, you guys can join my course today. So I'll be teaching you guys how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, and also if you're new to my channel, make sure you go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.